Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Dodge Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sport car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, remote engine start, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, keyless start, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, cruise control, climate control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.